Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change Facebook username. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Facebook and log in your account. Once you've done that, you simply need to go into the settings and privacy, and then you need to click on settings. Once you are in setting, you simply need to click on general, and here you need to click on your username, click on edit, and you can set a new username. So let me select how to solution. So let me show you. Okay, and then you need to click on save change. Once you click on that, your username is saved. So this is the process by which you can change Facebook username. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.